Charged with killing his 2-year-old son and his child's mother, appeared in a Pinellas courtroom. Prosecutors want Thomas Mosley's medical records from his time at St. Anthony's Hospital in St. Pete last month. Court documents say his injuries were consistent with slippage during a knife attack. Fox 13's Kaylee Tracy has the very latest from today's hearing.
Thomas Mosley walked into a courtroom Tuesday.
State of Florida versus Thomas Mosley.
With his hands and arms covered in casts. Court documents say Mosley's injuries were consistent with slippage during a knife attack and that Passion Jeffrey was stabbed to death with a knife on March 29th. Mosley was admitted to the hospital that evening. Passion's body was found in her apartment the next day. She had been stabbed more than 100 times, officers say. On Tuesday, prosecutors asked a judge to approve a subpoena for Mosley's medical records, saying his injuries are relevant to their case.
It will give the state information in its investigation as to the treatment, how severe these injuries were, how they had to be treated, what the surgery entailed, all of that information, which is highly relevant to our crimes of first-degree murder.
Prosecutors also played body camera video that showed Passion Jeffrey's mother talking to officers about Mosley's birthday party the same day Mosley later went to the hospital and a day before Passion Jeffrey was found dead.
Yesterday was our baby daddy's birthday time, and it was his birthday.
Do you know if they were drinking or anything?
I just know they were smoking.
Smoking weed?
Yeah.
Prosecutors say toxicology reports would show whether Mosley was under the influence of anything else before or at the time of the homicides.
We're objecting to all of it, Your Honor.
Defense attorneys argued that the affidavit gives enough information about Mosley's injuries and that releasing his medical records would violate his privacy.
It will cause irreparable harm, and all of the appellate cases say that there's no way to put the toothpaste back in the tube.
The judge plans to issue a written order with her decision and scheduled a status hearing for May 5th. Kaylee Tracy, Fox 13 News.
Passion's son, 2-year-old Talon, was found dead in a lake a day after his mother was found dead in her apartment. The lake is close to Mosley's mother's home. Police say evidence put Mosley at both scenes.